This is my most viral police pullover ever.
Come on, let's go out from the car.
And in today's video, we're gonna break down exactly what happened. And at the end of the video, I wanna hear from you if you would do anything different. Before we get into the video, let's tell a little bit of backstory. So my name's Connor, and I'm traveling around the world living in the back of a Lamborghini Urus that I turned into a camper. I'm originally from the US. I've driven through 38 countries so far, and my goal is to travel to every single country and spread a message of positivity, leaving every country better off than when I found it. With that, let's get into the video here. Ready, go.
Hey, I'm pulled over here, hold on.
So I'm actually on the phone with like the head minister of the country of Kazakhstan when I was getting pulled over.
A second. Hello, how are you?
My name is Sultan.
Okay.
So far, great interaction, right? We're very nice, very friendly. There's nothing strange going on.
Local police road officer.
Nice to meet you. Very nice
What's
English.
your name?
I'm even commending his English, which, because I've been pulled over like thousands of times on this trip around the world, a lot of cops don't speak English. So for me, I'm like, oh wow, he speaks English, so amazing. He's come up, he's very polite. So far, so good.
Connor.
Connor.
Yes.
Connor, let's go out from the car.
Why?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, this is what has everyone freaking out in the comments section. Well, a couple things do, but this was one of them. Everyone's saying, why didn't you get out of the car? Here's the thing. I know how it works in Kazakhstan because I've seen it firsthand, and everyone's also told me about it. But I've seen it firsthand. What happens is you get out of the car, and then the cops use this as a way to see, do you have any window tinting on your windows? Do you have any, like, you know, they use it for their purposes, let's say. And in the US, if you're getting out of the car, it's also a similar story. It means the cops want to get out of the car so they could potentially search your person, potentially search your vehicle, or potentially see something as you're getting out of the vehicle that could only negatively impact you, let's be honest. So unfortunately, that's the current state of the affairs in the world. Now, some places in Russia, you can get out of the car and you can go talk to the officer, you know, in their car and things like that. But most of the time, it's not good to get out of the car, in my opinion.
For 1 minute, I will show you the video. That video is how...
Okay, that's cool if he has video evidence, because a lot of places don't have video evidence. A lot of places, it's just like a little bit of a shakedown.
Try not to do.
And that's why I film every interaction, because it actually is better for me, it's better for the officers, it holds people accountable, and in every place that I go, filming these interactions, I believe it even leaves these places better off for further tourists coming in, because they know that, hey, like, tourists are filming things, they're holding us accountable, we need to be careful. When I was in Afghanistan, I filmed the Taliban trying to extort a bribe from me. The guy was fired within like 2 or 3 hours of me posting it online and arrested.
Next time, okay? Oh no, never mind. If you want to stay here,
yeah.
I will show you the video here, okay?
Oh, perfect.
I will bring here.
Okay, thank you. So we'll just see. I don't know what happened there.
How long have you...
Nice cordial conversation. Like, everything's chill. I don't know what's happened. We're just having small talk.
Going to stay here?
In Kazakhstan?
Yeah.
Like another 2 weeks.
Another 2 weeks?
Yeah,
Then
2
you
weeks.
are going to visit
China.
China?
China, yeah. And then Mongolia, Korea, Japan, the whole world. It's interesting, he speaks nice English, like very nice guy. Curious what sort of...
Again, some viewers are looking at this like, oh, you're condescending, speaking down on him, saying he speaks nice English. No, guys, I'm literally giving him a comment that he speaks nice English, a compliment, because all of the interactions I've had are so difficult in different countries where people don't speak the language. And most cops are generally friendly about trying to figure it out, but some aren't too. So the fact that this guy's friendly and speaks good English, I'm stoked.
infraction or something they're referring to, but if they have some video of something, that's cool.
You can say about the road rules.
Mm-hmm.
Try not to violate, okay?
Yeah,
If
but did I do something wrong?
Yes.
Can I see?
Okay. 1 moment. It's downloading now.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Next time, try to use the turn signals, okay? If you want to turn left, turn signal to left, okay?
Ah, I didn't.
Okay, look, if I didn't use the turn signal, guilty as charged. If he's got on video that says I didn't use the turn signal, you can see it right here. Like, there's no excuse for that. Of course, you know, I could say all the crazy things about how the drivers are actually in Kazakhstan, but I'm not going to use someone else's crime as my excuse for breaking the law, because he's showing here that I did. And let's see what happens next.
Turn
Okay.
signal, okay.
But it's for you, it's okay. Like a foreign
Okay.
driver, okay?
Okay.
We are trying to be polite with you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You're very nice. And I like you.
Look, he just said he's going to let me off. It's okay because you're a foreign driver. It's just a warning. Like, he's now made it clear that it's a warning. And I'm about to commend him on how nice of a guy he is. Listen to this.
You're English. Like, if all cops in the world were like you, the world would be so much happier with cops, you know? You're a very nice guy. I really appreciate it.
I've literally just given him a compliment. So all of you in the comments have said it's condescending. I don't understand. I'm literally saying that if everyone was like him, the world would be so much happier with cops. It's true. It's true. He's upholding the law. He didn't ask for any sort of bribes or corruption. He didn't even give a ticket, which he was, I guess, within his right probably to do in Kazakhstan. And he just let me off with a warning and just was very nice and very, very polite. So there's nothing wrong in this interaction here that I see. But what's going to happen next is where people are flaming up a lot in the comments as well.
I'll give you guys some chocolate.
Again, interaction's done. I'm free to go. Like, we've finished. They're already back in their car when this happens.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Which chocolate?
Which chocolate? Maybe this is the problem.
Chocolate. I always give chocolate out.
It's from Kyrgyzstan, and I'm giving it to a cop in Kazakhstan. So this could be like the political problem that they can't accept chocolate, you know, from people, let alone from a country maybe they have some beef with, World Cup, you know, some football or something. I don't know. Let's see what happens.
It's a Ferguson.
Yeah, I don't have any.
Unfortunately, we can't take
You can't take any present. Oh, really?
Look, he's turning on his body camera now. And he's saying he can't take any present. Look, for everyone that's like, oh, you tried to bribe him. The whole incident was over. He already had said he's going to let me go. Like, I was free to drive. I could have already driven off, but this before I even drove off. This was me just trying to be nice. I give chocolate to the kids, to people I find along the way. It's just like a friendly thing that I do in these countries.
But we can't take any presents from the
Foreigners.
drivers. Foreigners.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right. Thank you. Wow, they can't even take some chocolate. Crazy.
So let me know what you guys think. Should I have done anything different in this interaction, or was I well within my rights here? Let me know in the comments down below. If y'all want to see the full, unedited, uncensored, entire police interaction that's almost 10 minutes long, go to the members section here on YouTube, or if you want to watch it completely for free, check out my link down below for taboo.tv, where I also present all of my uncensored vlogs and traveling in places like Afghanistan and Lebanon, things that I can't put on YouTube for censorship reasons.
If you like that video, make sure to check out the Lamborghini YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos just like this from around the world. And if you want to see me in your country next, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.